रसगुल्ला इसी तरीके से बोलते हैं, राइट? Okay, then I think I'm right now. And बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. And it is going to be fun. Spanish में लोगों को ना, it's called crazy, it's called fun. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to have a lot of fun. And at Get Loco Now पे please follow us. It's our social media handle. इसके दो फायदे हैं. एक, you and us connect. And 2, you get social media लड्डू. तो बेसिकली जो लोग अभी अभी जुड़ रहे हैं हमारे साथ, 10 सवाल पूछते हैं हम. You get 10 seconds to answer. तो 10 सवाल में से ना एक सवाल एट गेट लोको नाउ में आपको जो है उसका क्लू मिल जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी कॉल सोशल मीडिया लड्डू, जो आपको मिल जाता है. और दूसरा लड्डू जो है आपको इस गेम के अंत में मिल जाएगा फॉर द नेक्स्ट गेम. सो इट्स प्रीटी सिंपल. यू जस्ट हैव टू एक्चुअली वर्क हार्ड एंड फोकस for 8 questions and that's very simple. Let's talk about the prize money. क्या है prize money? It is 1 lakh rupees. That's right. तो जितने लोग अभी अभी जुड़े हैं, पहली बार लोको ऐप इंस्टॉल करके हमारे साथ खेल रहे हैं, guys it's very simple. सही जवाब दीजिए और पैसे ले जाइए. All right? Okay then. By the way, आज 8 PM को एक नई गेम लॉन्च हुई थी. It was Loco Story. अगर आप लोगों ने खेला है, please give us feedback. Let us know, did you guys like it? It was a lot of fun. I actually watched it और बहुत मजेदार कॉन्सेप्ट है. और अगर नहीं खेला है तो प्लीज खेलिएगा. But for all of you who've played it, let us know how was it. और कल तो भाई धमाकेदार होने वाला है. पहले तो वीकेंड्स में गेम्स नहीं थे, अब तो भर भर के बुफे हैं आप लोगों के लिए. बिकॉज टुमारो एट 1:30 we've got Loco Quiz. At 8 PM we have Loco Connect. At 6 PM we have Speed Loco. And at 10 PM we have the normal Loco Quiz again. So it's going to be धमाकेदार Sunday. तो don't forget. And by the way, Loco Streak चल रहा है. Do you know what that is? Loco Streak माने 4 गेम्स बैक टू बैक अगर आप खेलो कंसेक्यूटिव, ओके, 4 गेम्स इफ यू प्ले बैक टू बैक, यू विन अ लाइफ. Isn't that right? So you win a life and make sure also you update your Loco app क्योंकि स्मूथ से आप खेल पाओगे और कुछ भी वहां पर प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होंगी. You're going to have a nice experience. So 4 days back to back. If you play at least one game, you will get 1 life. So do that. It's going to help you. For now, let's focus on this game. First question coming up on your screens. Ludo is a board game that is played using a dice, bat, या football. This is a warm-up question, but you know what? I have a confession to make. मतलब एक टाइम पे ना लोग Angry Birds और Candy Crush से addicted थे, and I was addicted to Ludo, like for real. I'm going to tell you how, but obviously we played with a dice. एंड यू नो, जब लोग एंग्री बर्ड्स और कैंडी क्रश खेल रहे थे, मैं एक्चुअली फोन पे लूडो खेल रही थी. आई यूज्ड टू प्ले विद डिफरेंट यूजर्स. मैंने एक बेड टेबल ले लिया था, उसके ऊपर लूडो का प्रिंट था, एंड आई वुड एक्चुअली प्लेड ऑन द टेबल एज वेल. सो दैट्स हाउ क्रेजी आई वाज अबाउट लूडो, एंड इट्स प्लेड विद द डाइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Complete the name of the famous song by Ed Sheeran. Dash of you, voice of you, face of you, या shape of you. भाई 2017 का धमाकेदार था ये गाना. हर क्लब में, हर पब में, हर फोन्स में ये बजता था. एंड द राइट आंसर हियर इज ऑफ कोर्स I'm in love with the shape of you. उसके आगे क्या है आई डोंट नो, बट दिस वाज अ सोशल मीडिया लड्डू. तो एट गेट लोको नाउ पे कनेक्ट कीजिए, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ वी गिव यू क्लूज एंड दैट्स हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी इजियर फॉर यू हर सवाल में. ऑलराइट, मूविंग ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Who was the man of the tournament when India won its last ODI World Cup? युवराज सिंह, MS धोनी या गौतम गंभीर? ये था हमारा आज दोपहर का लड्डू, तो जो हम हर गेम के अंत में देते हैं. सो स्टे बैक गाइज, इवन इफ यू गेट एलिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम द गेम, because you're going to get 1 laddu after the game every time you play. So the right answer is Yuvraj Singh. Hi yaar, I'm really missing Yuvraj Singh. पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया है. But 2011 ICC World Cup was the 10th cricket World Cup. हम जीते थे, and he was declared the man of the tournament. And धमाकेदार खेले थे, and 49,000 people still in the game. Good going. Question number 4. 0 is an dash. Odd number, even number, none of the above. But for our fourth question, this is really easy for you. So let me see how many people get it wrong here. क्योंकि बचपन में मैथ सीखने से पहले ही मैंने सीख लिया था कि ऑड नंबर क्या है और इवन नंबर क्या है. And it is of course an even number. What is wrong with you all? Okay, 41,000 people say none of the above. How? Okay then. All right, guys. Even number, they end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Okay? I hope you have lives. Question number 5 coming up now. The airport of Dash won the 2018 UN Environment Award for Entrepreneurial Vision. Kochi, Bengaluru या चंडीगढ़. अब 2015 में CIAL became the first airport in the world to be completely powered by solar energy, and Kochi won the 2018 Environment Award for Entrepreneurial Vision. And actually Kochi airport is the biggest and the busiest airport of Kerala and is the fourth busiest airport in the world in terms of international traffic. Question number 6. The founder of which institution recently passed away due to a car crash in USA? BITS, NMIMS, या GITAM? Now, the founder and president of this university was Dr. MVVS Murthiya, and it was an unfortunate incident that happened, and obviously GITAM के वो founder और president थे. He was also a very noted industrialist and Telugu Desam senior leader. That's right. Okay guys, good going, but that odd even number was really a bummer. Question number 7. The CM of the state that passed India's first Good Samaritan bill is K. Palaniswamy, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, या H.D. Kumaraswamy. Now, President Ramnath Kovind has given assent to this bill, and it's really cool because legal protection देते हैं वो good helpful people को जो victims को मदद करते हैं, accidents जब होते हैं तो उनकी मदद करते हैं वो, ताकि वो जो golden hour होता है emergency medical में उनको कुछ भी पूछा नहीं जाएगा, पुलिस इसे नहीं पकड़ेंगे. The right answer is of course H.D. Kumaraswamy. Good going guys, we've got 4,500 people. Question number 8. A 500 Newton person's weight will reduce by dash at the center of the earth. 500 Newton, 250 Newton या 0 Newton. Okay, good luck for this one. By the way, जिसे हम weight कहते हैं ना, वो हमारा actually mass होता है. और कहते हैं ना हम 50 किलो, 60 किलो, it's actually mass, and 500 Newton ही रहेगा, because the coolest part is when you go to the center of the earth, वहाँ पर gravitational pull नहीं है, and that's why you will actually be weightless. Imagine आप कुछ भी खा सको और आप center of the earth पे जाओ, you become weightless. I think I really want to settle there. Question number 9. Which novel was not written by the creator of the character Byomkesh Bakshi? I hai Bengali. Okay. Jindher Bondi, Dadar Kirti, या Chauritrohin. Now, Roshagulla was really tough for me, but I hope I got this right. And let's see guys, यहाँ पर सही जवाब क्या है? सही जवाब है Chauritrohin. अरे यार, I hope I'm actually pronouncing it right, वरना लोग मुझे ना कह दे. यही. Actually, Byomkesh Bakshi is a popular Bengali fictional detective created by Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay. Don't give me hate, okay, on Twitter. Question number 10. Who won the first Wimbledon singles men's title of the 21st century? Goran Ivanisevic, Gustavo Kuerten, या Pat Rafter? Now, he defeated Pat Rafter in the final to win the Wimbledon title. So, already मैंने clue दे दिया है, but I'm sure आप लोगों ने already tick कर दिया था answer. The right answer is Goran Ivanisevic. He actually, before the tournament, was ranked 125th, and after he won, he climbed 109 places to 16th, and we've got 174 winners! 574 rupees. On a Saturday night, you guys have won. क्या बात है? गुरुजी, ललित, शफगू, निखिल, बहुत बहुत congratulations. I think you guys got lucky because a lot of people couldn't answer the even and odd number, but lucky you, lucky Saturday, lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. I hope you also had a lot of fun. And Get Loco Now पे जरूर बताना. अब देती हूं मैं आपको कल दोपहर का लड्डू. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. The Royal Bengal tiger is not just the national animal of India but also of Bangladesh. Did you know this? I didn't know. Let me tell you again. The Royal Bengal tiger is not just the national animal of India but also of Bangladesh. Now this will be used for tomorrow's game. कल तो भाई 4 games lined up है, so make sure you guys tune in. And for now, this is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy. Good night.